Guys, welcome to another video. So in the previous video I downloaded and installed PRTG Desktop app. In this video I'm going to show you how to connect PRTG Desktop app with your PRTG Core Server. It's very easy and simple. Just open PRTG Desktop app. Okay, I already installed that. Let's open it and just click on escape. Try demo server or connect to my server. So I am going to choose connect to my server. Here you have to type what you have to type. You have to type this IP address of your core server. Okay. Uh, this is the IP address. Okay. And the login name is PRTG admin, and the password, type just the password of your cursor and click save. That's it. Just yes, let's click yes, next, next, bam. That's how you can connect your core server to PRTG desktop app. As you can see, now I can see everything. I can see probe device, PRTG core server, and now you can add devices, you can add groups, and so on. That's it, guys. I hope you like it. If you have any question, just drop them in the comment section and I will be very happy to help you out with it. See you in the next video.